Hi everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back to Unacademy. How are you all? Welcome back to Unacademy YouTube channel. I hope you all are good, studying well for your examination. Now the exam dates are also out, so you need to prepare for your examination well. Come on, you can, yes, please type in the comment section who all are there in class. Dilip, Anamika, Ritu, Haripriya, Twinkle, Aparna, Ritu, okay. Hi Priya, okay. Hi Manpreet, okay. Remaining, yes, all the live students I can see. You can also comment in the comment section. Voice echo. Is there any voice echo? Okay. Let me see. Echoing, I guess. Wait, let me see. Very little bit, or maybe no. Because, yeah, voice is okay. From my side, it is okay. If it troubles too much, then please let me know. Chalega? Okay, great. Chalega. Okay. Manageable. Okay. Still, if problem, do let me know. Okay. Hi, Manju. Okay. Great. Okay. Hi, Shiny. Okay. So let's get started. So we are on the last lesson of previous year question 2020 commerce, where we will be completing all our paper one set, like full paper one set of paper like shift one of PYQ 2020. Okay, so let's get started. My name is Niharika Bhagtani. I've qualified JRF in Commerce with 99.83 percentile and I've also done MCOM. I'm also a CA finalist. So if you haven't followed me on Unacademy yet, kindly follow me on Unacademy. And if you want to take a plus subscription, don't forget to use my referral code Niharika Live to get 10% discount. Okay, this is my profile where you can follow me on Unacademy. I teach paper 1 and paper 2 both on Unacademy Plus platform, and I also provide some of the free classes to the learners also. That is, if you're already on Unacademy, you can type my name Niharika Bhagtani. You can click on the follow button, and if you scroll up, you will see special classes that are free classes. Click on see all and you will see many special classes are also there. Okay, and one more thing that yes, Unacademy has given a mega offer for subscription. That is, if you take a 12-month subscription, you will get 2 months extra. That offer is available only and only till 27th October. And if you take a 6-month subscription, you will get 1 month extra. If you get 24-month subscription, you will get 3 months extra. Okay, that is 2 years subscription, you will get 3 months extra along with 10% discount. 10% discount also you will get. Also, you can use your credit coins that you gain while attending the free live classes on Unacademy platform. So all that is possible if you use my referral code Niharika Live. You can go to my profile from the link given in the comment section, that is pinned in the comment section. And these are the new batches that will be starting from 27th October. That is, if your okay, so these will be like for paper one as well as for electronic science, computer science, and sociology. So as your paper 2 is commerce, then me and Sir Vodanala Shivalingam will be taking your commerce also and will be taking your paper 1 also. But if your friends are having electronic science, computer science, and sociology, you can inform them to join this batch. Okay, you can share with your friends. Okay, enroll. Great, great, nice. Yes, Manju, what's your question? Please say. Hello, Payal. Okay, chalega. Okay. Okay, so if you're coming for the first time, do click on the like button of this video and also do subscribe this channel. Yes, okay, come on. I said this question, have we done this question? Have we done this question till here? Till this question, have we done? है ना? The answer to this question was ABE. That is number one. Why? Because this information is given wrong. This RTI Act came on 12th October. Okay, 12th October. That means clearly A is given wrong. Which one is not correct? A is given wrong. So A is the correct answer for this question. Okay, let's go to the next. Let's go to new question. The new question says, which assertion and reason? You have to read both assertion and reason and tell me accordingly. First, you have to see whether this is true or false. Whether this is true or false. In case if both are true, then are they relating to the same topic? Good evening, Priyadarshini. Yes, Manju, please ask your question. What's your question? Okay, Shiny has given correct answer first, then Ritu, Shiny, Ritu, and Anamika. Okay, I will be taking names of all the top three students who will be giving correct answer. So answer is A, correct. That is, you know the rules of trademark. Trademark registration is exclusive property rights to the trademark owner, right? Okay, and it is a recognizable sign, design, and expression which identifies product and services of a particular source from those of others and used to claim exclusive property rights of products and services. Basically, both are right and both relate to trademark. Bingo. Both hero of the story is trademark, so A is the answer. Now, this finishes our legal aspect of business. Let's go to income tax and corporate tax planning. Gratuity receive. Not clear? Please increase the resolution. That is from top right side. Three dots are there. Pile. Three dots here on the right side of your video. Okay. Gratuity received by the government employee. Let me see who will give correct answer first. Twinkle, correct answer, and Twinkle, Shiny, and Ankita have given correct answer first. Amazing. Congratulations. Nice. Great. Ritu also. Priyadarshini. Right. So how come? Dekho, we have done this na. We have done this na. That gratuity, the maximum limit of gratuity exemption is how much? 20 lakh. 20 lakh. So what is the section of this? 10 subsection 10, that is 20 lakh limit, and 10 subsection 10, the section 10 plus 10 equal to 20 for all the employees. But if the employees are are of central government, members of civil services or LA, then it is fully exempt, received at the time of retirement or death. But if we are receiving during the service, then it is fully taxable, whichever category we belong to. But for other employees, up to 20 lakh, it is like 20 lakh will be exempt. That will be the maximum limit of exemption. Okay, so here it is, second statement is written, gratuity received by LA employee is exempt from tax. Yes, 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 it is received. It is not written that during the service. Okay, so LA will be coming here. Getting it now? Yes, LA is सरकारी में हाँ, yes, सब माफ, right, because they get so many benefits. हाँ, अब याद आया. Great, great. LA is local authority. Yes. Now, मंजू, आपका कुछ क्वेश्चन था? Please ask. Please ask your question. Now, which one of the following statement is true for the set off and carry forward of laws under house property? HP. House property. That is okay. I got correct answer first from Shiny, Anamika, and Ankita. Okay. So Priyadarshini and Simi also. Payal, Twinkle, amazing. That is, wait, answer is 8 years. Where say you have done full list also. There is something which can be carried forward indefinitely. Can you tell me what is that? Can I say profit from any specified business? Profit from any specified business. Okay. And one more. Unabsorbed unabsorbed depreciation. Wait, let me show you the full page. See, unabsorbed depreciation. Your indefinite period tak we can carry forward, and loss under acha, loss under specified business that can be set off against the profit under specified business. Other than that, anything will be carried forward up to undefinite period till we have the next profit from any specified business. Then LTCG, STCG, PGBP and house property all for 8 years. But which two for 4 years? Only and only income from speculation business as well as income from loss from the activities of owning and maintenance of horse races. Okay, now profit. Okay, now next question. Okay. Hello, ma'am. I'm Plus Learner. Can you please tell me where we have done economics PYQ? Economics PYQ we have done in revision through PYQ course. That is in Plus course. Revision of commerce through PYQ course. Okay, next. I think we have done there ना? उसमें नहीं है. तो फिर तो we might have done in the special classes. So, but special classes के लिए you need to give me time. Like following. Acha, somebody who has done economics के I have done it somewhere, but I need to recall it. कहाँ पे I have done. Otherwise, see, banking is left from my side, or maybe eco is also special में है ना? हाँ तो special में है. Right. Banking is left from my side. Banking के questions are left from my side. Eco के questions उसके बाद ही स्पेशल पर कर लिया. ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट. तो काइंडली सी इको. हाँ, इको का जब भी प्लस खत्म हुआ है वहाँ. ओके, सो नाउ Mohan rendered his services in India, retired in 2015. Management and HRM, HRM and business management. I think these 1 or 2 units are left that I will be starting from 1st November. I was waiting for the exam date na. 1st or 2nd November से will start. Eco तो done है. Yes. Okay. This answer to this is D. Why? Because देखो, see, the person, what it is said कि the person was earning in India. So person was rendering his services in India, right? Okay. And then he retired in India. After that, he shifted to Singapore. Okay, now that does not matter at all because he rendered his services in India, he got the salary in India, so his pension will be also received in India, or even if it is received outside India. Suppose if it is received outside India, then it will be deemed to accrue or arise in India. That will be considered. Okay. Okay. So whether it is received in India or outside India, it does not matter. It will be deemed to accrue or arise in India, and that means it will be taxed in India. Okay. Now, if you're asking Mr. Arun, you're asking option B. Why not B correct? Because here it will accrue only when it is received in India. What about outside India? Place of getting the pension, receiving the pension will not matter at all because he has rendered services all in India. Getting it? Yes or no? Yes, great. Now, Sugam is also known as what? C. Okay. Nobody wants to select A. Pakka. Pakka A या C? A या C? C. Okay, then what about A? Can I say Saral? Sar or Sahaj? Select. This is Saral or Sahaj? This is very good. This is Sahaj and this is Sugam. Saral is not there. Okay? One is Sahaj and fourth is Sugam. 2 and 6 are also given. We have done now all the categories that ITR 1 is the simplest one where we do not include any business activities. Okay, let's just have a look at them. First one is what? Sahaj. Sahaj for individuals HUF not having any business capital gain etc. Just one house property and exempted income and agriculture income less than 5,000. ITR 2 when we are having capital gains. ITR 3 when we are having business income also. ITR 4 for like you can say Sugam, right? When we are earning presumptive business income, right? After that ITR 5 for partnership firm as well as LLP. If we are just a partnership individual, a partner, not a firm, just a partner, then that will be in ITR 3. Okay, the partner in the firm will be in ITR 3. But if we are a partnership firm or LLP, that will be ITR 5. Then 6 company, 7 trust. Amazing. Now next, why I am revising? Because today only in morning I told you to revise all the options. So all the options were given. We were revising. Basically through these questions, you are revising in one particular hour. You are revising at least your 20 to 30 concept. Okay. I could have given you just question answer. But if you want to revise also, then this session is more beneficial. Now, this one. Which of the expenses debited to profit and loss but disallowed while computing the business income? C and D. Okay, what about personal expenses? Are they allowed? Are personal expenses really allowed? Are personal expenses really allowed? Please tell me. Anamika, correct answer. Personal expenses are allowed. Aisa? That they can get deduction in the business, from the business. Why? No, na? Personal expenses are specifically disallowed. Why they should be allowed? Think about that. Dekho, try to think the concept. Like you are doing some business, suppose of some food item, some no. At 9:30 we will not 9:30 p.m. Yeah, we will not talk about food item. Let's talk about clothes or let's talk about some machines. Okay. Now suddenly you earn some profit. Okay. So now you want to install some of the thing, you want to do the incur some of the expenditure in your business. Should that be allowed in the general expenditure under section 37? Yes. 37(1). Yes, definitely yes, because those are general expenditure, they will be allowed by the government. But that please do not pay tax on them. All the income minus expenditure minus business expenditure, then net profit, and then pay tax. That means here it is allowed. But if you have written some personal expenditure, that is party, okay, night out, okay, do you think that government will say okay, do party but do not pay tax because it is allowed? No. No, na? That's why personal expenditure are not allowed. Personal expenses are not allowed. So clearly, B not allowed, disallowed. Okay. C disallowed, D disallowed, A allowed. So answer is B. Okay. Hello Sagar. Okay. Try to understand that why the rules are there. Then it will be more and more easy. 37(1). Wrong हुआ. General section. Under section 37(1), all the expenses related to business which are of revenue nature, Priyadarshini, which are of revenue nature, which are incurred in that particular year, and which, like, there are, which are incurred in that particular year, mm, those are allowed in the business P&L. Ma'am, how's C&D? Okay. First, let's answer this question, then we'll go to that question. Okay. Option D is your correct answer here. Why? First, we will register. We have seen first we will register. Register where? Whenever we'll go here on this income tax e-filing.gov.in, first we'll register ourselves. After registering, then next step is what? We will log in. Then after login, what we'll do? We'll download the utility and prepare the return. Then after that we will do the e-filing and income tax return. Then we will do the verification. How come? Dekho, after registration, then login. Then after login, you will get such forms, that which form you want. You want to use ITR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which form you want. Okay. So then you will download those form. Okay, you will see the instructions as well as you will download those forms. Like suppose if I download this form, now I'll download that in my computer. I will fill the data. That is fourth step. That is fill the ITR. I'm sorry. Okay. Fill the ITR. That is prepare the return. And then after that do the verification. Okay, verification, that means linking it with the Aadhaar card and bank details, etc. All those things will be linked. Acha, now previous question के लिए, if you are asking that ma'am, how come this one? How come C and D? Please see expenses of income which is taxable under the other heads of income. Right? Okay. Expenses of income which is taxable under the other heads of income. So tax there na? Tax there and give deduction there only. Why are you giving deduction here? The deduction of house property pile should be given in the income of house property. Section 24A, 24B, that deduction should be given under the house property. Any municipal tax paid, that should be given, that deduction should be given under the house property, okay, paid by the owner. But here, again and again, why we should give deduction to under business head also separately? Why two times deduction? Two times deduction should not be there, right? Okay. And yeah, C is in all options, so we don't even have to think for that. I think yes, D is also there in most of the option. Okay. So D is what? Charities and donations. So charities and donations mein last mein we will get the exemption. That is not allowed under the business expenses, because that is not a business expenditure. That is a payment. That is not a business expenditure. Any business expenditure of revenue nature which relates to that particular financial year, that gets the deduction under the P&L. Okay? Yes. So on the payment base, these deductions you will get under 80G. Okay? Not under the business head, but after calculating full income. Okay? Okay, thank you, Sagar. Yes. Getting it? Yes. Everyone getting it? Payal, are you getting it? Understanding it? Yes? Okay. Now, as per section 80G, maximum deduction allowed for any cash donation is up to, very simple. This is of capital nature also, but and this does not even relate to our business solely. not incurred for business expenditure or for business use. Very good. Direct answer, direct question, direct answer. 2000 rupees. That section 37(1) and plus this one. This also we have done in plus. The table was there. Table was given full table. ATG and your last two lines were written related to cash. Right? Cash items more than 2000 will be fully disallowed. Now, match the following. This deduction page also we have done in plus. So kindly match anyone, anyone. ATG, GGA, GGB, GGC. Yes, it has been changed to 2000. And we have done updated rates only. Don't worry. Divya. Huh. Previously it was 10K. Now, ATGG, GGA, GGB, GGC, GGA, GGB, GGC. What do you think? This is a complicated one. So what would you select? NTA just want to scare us. Oh, very good. Nice. So, hmm. Be confident. Be confident. You have done this. Okay. GG. Deduction in respect of rent paid. Aha. See. Okay. I wish all these things should click in your exam also. Like it should click in your mind while giving exam also. GGA. That is scientific research. GGB. That is political parties. B. That is political parties. And C. Again political parties. Okay, deduction in respect to now see, B was by the company and C was by the individual. वैसे we have done both of them. If you remember, easy peasy, directly from the table where GGA, GGB, GGC. I remember GG and GGA were written on one page and GGB, GGC were written on the next page on the top where company and individual was written. Remember? Okay, if you revise again and again all your plus notes, you will remember, you will recall more frequently. Now, next one. As those who are new in the class, please click on the like button if you like the questions. I hope you like questions as well as the explanation. Question is given by NTA, explanation by us. हाँ, इसके लिए mnemonic क्या था? Okay, do it. इसके लिए mnemonic भी किया था क्या? I think just already done. Great. Twinkle, Arun, Divya, Priyadarshini has given correct answer. C. Correct about deduction in respect of contribution to various provident fund in case of salaried employee. That means the first category first table that we have done. So employer's contribution to recognized provident fund is exempt up to 12% of the salary. Is that correct? Correct. Employer's contribution to unrecognized fund is exempted from tax. Definitely, it is exempted from tax. Employer does not contribute to public provident fund. That is also correct. Why he should contribute? Because public provident fund does not relate to salaried people. It relates to the general people who are not employed anywhere, who have their own business or own work. Right? Now, deduction under ATC is available for employer's contribution in unrecognized provident fund. Is this right? No. It's like GGC होना तो C company चाहिए, but it is opposite. अच्छा, okay. That you are saying. Okay. See, I remember that way, Shiny, कि company बड़ी है. पहले कंपनी के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने कंसिडर किया होगा. गवर्नमेंट हैज कंसिडर्ड कंपनीज कि हाँ ओके देन गवर्नमेंट थॉट कि ओ दीज इंडिविजुअल पीपल आर ऑल्सो देयर, we should make section for them also, so let's make one more amendment, that is GGC. That way, anyway, you can remember as per your comfort. अच्छा, same year, you too. Okay, great. ठीक है. अच्छा, so first three were right. This we have done in plus. Full table, A, B, C, they were right. In that way only. Great, Simi, great. Okay. Now, surcharge 10% is payable by an individual where the total income exceeds. Hi, Swastika. Welcome back to class. Exceeds how much? 10%. 10% is payable where the total income of individual exceeds. See, sure. Shiny, Twinkle, Divya, Ankita. Okay. Swastika, Mr. Arun, Priyadarshini, Simi. You all are saying C. Anyone else? Pakka? Everyone? Come on, come on, come on. See? Okay. So, is this right कि 50 lakh to 2 crore 10% या 50 lakh to 1 crore 10%? Now select. Now select. Come on, come on, come on. 50 lakh is fine. But 50 lakh to 2 crore या 50 lakh to 1 crore? To 1 crore. Very good. Very good, Divya. That is 50 lakh to 1 crore. It will be 10%. Acha, what about 15%? Now, that means income. Okay. 1 crore to 2 crore. ठीक है, 1 crore to 2 crore. There we'll have the 15%. Now, 2 crore to 5 crore. Come on, come on, come on. Do you remember what about 2 crore to 5 crore? How much percent? 25%. Okay, 25%. Right? Okay, and more than 5 crore, where the total income is more than 5 crore, there we have the highest slab. How much highest? 37%. Amazing. Okay. This way, try to recall. Okay, these are the slabs. These we have to remember. We were talking about this one. See, all these charts, if you want to do, you want to learn, all these we do in Unacademy Plus platform. And further also, from November, I'm starting new courses on Unacademy Plus where I provide you notes also, right? So if you haven't joined it yet, please join it from November in the fresh batches. So all the questions are also coming from these notes in your NTA UGC net exam. Directly they are coming from these notes. It is as per us how much we grab, how much we understand, how much we recall, and how much we can answer without clicking on the wrong poll and within the correct time. Yes, done with me? Yes? Okay. So this full chart is there. I've explained that in class. Now, what is the rate of tax deduction at source from insurance company in case of person? Okay. Section also you have to say. Come on, come on. Before I write, you have to write. Come on. Before I write, you have to write. What should I write? 194. Aage. Aage. For insurance commission, what should I write? Section 194D. Okay. So that is, normally it is 5%, but due to COVID period, not 194B, it's 194D. Due to COVID period, it will be what? 3.75 from 14th May to 31st March. After 31st March, you don't need to remember because this exam is of December 2020 and June 2021, where this financial year rates and assessment year rates 21 to 22 will prevail. Okay, 3.75. Now, this one, this you have done, na? This. And insurance commission, rupees 15,000 in a financial year. Now, next, let's do one thing. Acha, if you like this session, please click on the like button. Please. Today morning we have done 2 passages. Right? Morning, noon mein. We have done 2 passages on Unacademy free platform. Now let's do one thing. Let's do 2 passages of paper 2 also. ठीक है? We'll see how we can grab this. Yes, passage now. ठीक है? Both the passage. 2 in morning we have done related to paper 1. 2 right now we'll do related to paper 2. नहीं यहाँ passage नहीं. तो if यहाँ passage नहीं फिर I have to launch separate classes for that on Unacademy special class. YouTube पे नहीं. Miss today's class. You will visit that. Let's do and finish it. I guess you might have done it one time. Maybe you might have seen it. No? Yes or no? Yes or no? यहाँ passage करना है या directly Unacademy platform पे you want to do because there you have Zoom option also. Let's try. अच्छा let's do one thing. Out of 2 passage, let's do 1 passage. If you still feel uncomfortable कि no, it is not properly visible, do let me know and we'll just stop that and we'll go to the questions next. Okay? Because then 20 questions will be like on one side only. Let's try. 1. Okay? See. Is it clearly visible? Small छोटू सा passage is there. Just छोटू सा passage. Very small. एक करवा दो बस. ठीक है. Okay. Is it visible properly? Should I read for you? Should I read for you? Yes. Okay. चलो. It is desirable for the customers. Yeah, we do not have that highlight option also. कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है. It is desirable for the consumers to be aware of their rights and to exercise those rights responsibly and intelligently. In these days of audio-video publicity on the public and private media, it is indeed very difficult, if not impossible, to verify exaggerated or false claim made by the producers, manufacturers, distributors, and dealers of various goods as well as services. Or the all pervasive, that means present everywhere, exaggerated, so much hyped and often false claim made by the services and goods emphasize the imperative need for consumer protection, legislation, and creation of awareness among the general public. In this connection, there are a number of enactments in India. That means some laws, rules, regulations such as prevention of food. Some acts are there. That is a Food Adulteration Act, Essential Commodities Act, Hire Purchase Act, okay, Standard Weight Measure Act. However, remedies prescribed there under are time consuming, inadequate, and expensive. In the other areas of judicial processes, the offenders are hardly caught, proceeded against are rarely, if ever, got convicted. When violators got scot free, they got free. The victims have no remedy and get frustrated. Okay, read this? Yes or no? Read this? Okay, let's see. Which among the following is the correct statement based on the passage? See, the government of India has enacted sufficient number of laws for protection, sufficient numbers of laws for protection of consumer interests. See, enactments is written here, enactment is written here. Are they sufficient? Yeah, the paragraph does not give the comprehensive list. What is a comprehensive list? That means a detailed list. The paragraph is not given. Legal environment for the consumers not conducive. Legal environment for consumers is conducive. अच्छा ऐसा ओके 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 ऑप्शन ए और बी ए और बी कम ऑन I think you're not comfortable in solving. All are not comfortable, kya? Solving? Because only one person is answering. A, B. Last option can't see. Last option is not even the answer. Don't worry about it. Yes, yes. B is the answer. Correct. Only one person is answering. Only B is the answer. See, how come? The paragraph does not give the comprehensive list of laws in favor of consumers. Why? Because it is, okay. Because it is given such as. Okay. Just two, three laws are given like that. Okay. It is not giving proper comprehensive. Okay, don't worry. Acha, how many of you, please comment it. How many of you don't want? And shall we just go to the questions? Shall we just switch to the questions? हाँ, सी एंड डी कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट हो रहा है. ओके अनामिका, कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट हो रहा है बट लीगल एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में पैसेज में कुछ गिवन ही नहीं है. Questions? Okay. One unit is still left. Okay, let's do one thing. We'll go to the questions. Just come question. Okay, here came passage. Okay. Come question. Question. Okay. Let's see. Let's do one today. Arey, abhi you are keeping me confused whether we should continue or we should change it. चलो कोई बात नहीं. कोई बात नहीं. Let's do this. Let's do this. We'll do that some other day, but I'll promise I'll do that before your exam. Okay, see, Simi is saying let's do ma'am please and Divya is saying no questions only. Ma'am कर लेंगे. हाँ, yes, okay. So, Simi, स्पेशल क्लास मैं as soon as possible मैं लॉन्च कर दूंगी. 2nd नवंबर करें पक्का. ऑल लाइक पेपर 1 पेपर 2 के ऑल सेट्स 2nd नवंबर करें स्पेशल क्लास में. बिकॉज सी राइट नाउ इट इज माई लास्ट क्लास विथ पोल. चलेगा. हाँ, माई लास्ट क्लास ऑफ अक्टूबर. देन आई विल बी बैक. We will be back. My next class will be on YouTube only. That will be on 1st November, Monday, and same set 2 we will be solving. Set 2 commerce questions PYQ 2020. हाँ, okay. ठीक है. Now business finance. Business finance. Let's see. In continuous compounding, the time it takes to double the sum grossly follow Rule 69. If it changed to discrete compounding, so see, continuous may it should take less time. If you consider discrete compounding, it should take a little bit more time, right? Little bit more time. So the relevant rule of thumb should be very good that we have done in plus class also. Rule number 72. Rule number 72. Okay. So rule 72 is for this discrete compounding. What you have to do, rule 69 is for continuous compounding where you just have to do 0.35 plus 69 upon interest rate. Okay, and here you just have to put what? This, like 72 divided by number, the rate of interest, and you will get number of years of getting the money double. Right? Now, arrange the following financing choices in order of the preference suggested by pecking order theory. Pecking order theory. B. How come? C. How come B? First, so we'll just see the reinvestment of the earning. Yes, After that, which is the cheaper source? That means, acha, which is the cheaper source of finance? Debt, second number. Third, equity. That means first is our retained earning. This is our retained earning, the cheapest source of finance. Then our debt, second number. Then our equity, the costliest one. Okay, this pecking order theory we have done in plus class, financial hierarchy. That is, first is internal financing, then debt, then equity. And if we do by this, that is trade-off theory. I think this is removed. Trade-off theory. Then it has just debt as well as just equity. Right? Next one. In which of the following situations the payback period method is advised for evaluation of the investment opportunities? Payback period. Payback period. We are talking about payback period. Very good. Anamika has given answer first, that is option number B, where we have over leveraged business, where we have taken debt more, and there are uncertain market situation. See, because if the market is cash rich business or a stable market, then we do not care that, sorry, it does not trouble so much in our head ki when will our money be back. It's okay, it will be back. What is payback period? Basically, it is the length of the time required for an investment to recover its initial outlay in terms of profits or savings. हाँ, मिल ही जाएगा, अगर अगर हमारे पास सफिशिएंट प्रॉफिट्स है तो मिल ही जाएगा, ऐसा हम सोचते हैं. बट अगर हमारे पास कैश क्रंच है, कैश क्रंच, देन डे एंड नाइट इट हिट्स अस कि ओके हमारा पैसा कब मिलेगा, व्हेन वील गेट आवर मनी बैक, व्हेन वील गेट आवर मनी बैक. So it just considers the money till the time we get our investment, not after the investment. Does it consider the profitability? A big no. It does not consider the profitability. Only initial investment upon cash inflows. Okay, that will give us the number of years. Now, one is assertion, one is reason. Kindly see assertion and reason. 2020 FM questions were quite tough. I think almost all the questions were from almost were from plus class only. It is just up to our interpretation. B or A? B. Very good. How come? Because here it is related to which is better option. See, an asset if equivalent annual cost of ownership and operation is less than the best lease rate it can get. Means we are just considering whether to buy or to lease that topic. Okay, here we are considering only and only operating leases. Both sentences are correct, but कहाँ? अपने घर पे. कहाँ पे correct है? अपने घर पे. Means both are individually correct. You are also right, I am also right, but individually they are not related. Okay, that's why it is not the correct explanation. Now, which of the following is a long-term source of finance? Long-term source of finance. Quick. No link. Link is there. Acha. Okay, there in no link. External commercial borrowing. मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है that very recently we have done finance also? Have we done? Okay, B answer. Target क्या? Oh God. ठीक है, तो that finishes. अच्छा, is it okay if see here this one also you have done option B and option C. I can just answer in a glimpse. I can just see the question and I can answer. Now, क्या मतलब? Okay, so I'm just rolling out all the pages. So if there is anyone who has not done, so that they can do. See, we should not learn all the questions. I can just see the answer is C. It is as it means now it is getting printed in my mind. This diagram. I showed you this diagram. Okay, the answer of this one is this C. Again, इसका answer भी I remember. It is on option A where this explanation was given. Basis पे we were answering. अच्छा, answer याद नहीं है. Okay. See, I remember the answer because I have written, like I have some things I have typed, sometimes some pictures I have edited. So I spent so much time with the material, na? That's why I remember. Okay, okay, okay. But ठीक है. I think from my side it is done. Only those passages are left. Right? है ना? This way we have completed all the 100 questions. I'm not repeating it because 2 weeks back only we have done on our Unacademy special class. If you wish to visit special class, then you can come on my profile. You can come on my profile. Come on special class. Click on see all button. Everyone, for everyone. Okay, then here special classes, all courses, English, and then commerce. Select commerce. See, we have all the PYQs, previous year questions of accounts with practicals, 5 classes. Just before them, 5 classes of marketing management. Then just before them, 6 classes of business finance. See, with explanation is there. Okay, then before that, income tax, statistics, full course mock test, everything is there. And PYQs of accounts, okay, these were there. Banking, you were asking banking, 3 classes already done here. Okay, so I think that is enough. So you can do it from there also if you want to practice. And that is all for today. Remaining 2nd November, we will be meeting for reading comprehension, paper 2 reading comprehension. Okay? On Unacademy special class. And this is the mega offer. If you're not on Unacademy Plus, you can take a subscription till 27th October or 31st October. 12 months, 6 months, 24 months, you will get 2 months, 1 month, and 3 months respectively. Bonus if you use my referral code Niharika Live. This code is also there in the description of this video. Also, we will be starting very soon the combo batches. Please enroll in these batches. The links are also provided on my Telegram, and or you can directly come on the batches on my profile and it will be visible. You can enroll all the batches. These are my paper 1 courses. These are my paper 2 commerce courses. All the courses may you have to enroll. Okay, and these are the recently covered special live classes, that free live classes that we have completed in the series. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in November. All the best. Don't be scared and study as much as you can. Do give time to your self preparation also. Please, assistant statistic for Raju. I don't have much clue about that. So you can Google it out or you can ask the educator or the teacher who will be assisting you properly about that. Thanks a lot. आपको थोड़ी हाँ yes see you on 1st November on this platform 9 p.m. Okay, first November I'll be back. Okay, bye. See you soon. Good night. Take care. All the best. And get your net JRF this time. Come on. Study as much as you can. Good night.